Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
And that senior Ghana for as super presidents a year Akufo-Addo no enye easy. And the sebe omo a wombedi na tem edi na tem ye na nini na ejina Nigeria ekunkum a ekoso yi. Say me speaking extensively on those particular stories. Say who nim the ekoso a check your channel nimu obehu stories no. The Ghana for so can the now more can for President Akufo-Addo ho because of your ECOWAS chairman. Na ohwe ECOWAS omombra ni bi etre se BBAC ewo member countries a wo mo betumi ayeden abem nti na nkrofo to nsa for President Akufo-Addo se the AC ewo Nigeria no ewo se wo ye ward na wo kasa efa ho omo a won be defend President Akufo-Addo so defend no ebi mo ka se o ene diplomacy ene o ye president a eni kwan se wo kan wo bi asem twesensem bebiri nkrofo so kwetwetwe old messages embra na nsem we bia ebi si ye ewo Ivory Coast ana eye Atamils eye president nsem a President Akufo-Addo ka tra Atamils say Atamils the AC won ka hwemfa ho masa can be fa ho into no President Akufo-Addo was also receiving the same thing I won also the year Atamils some years back. Now, President Akufo-Addo finally has spoken on this particular matter. Now, one thing that me person me can sisiano, omo ana wo mo kan end diplomacy no sisiano mo wahi. Mo ana mo kan President Akufo-Addo want to mean kasa because of diplomacy. Wo sha diplomacy nti want to mean kasa no me bisao sisiano mo wahi. That's the question I am asking. Because the president has spoken and that is what is right in front of you. Minimo kasa sisi a maybe read the comments no atremo and na maybe read in some President Akufo-Addo na nkasa wodi tuja na yakọ comment box ni mo na yasanso akọ read the comments no na yahwe de eko. Now asema President Akufo-Addo kind of say I join all well-meaning persons in calling for calm and the use of dialogue in solving the EndSARS impasse in Nigeria. I have spoken with President Buhari, who is committed to this end and has begun the processes that will lead to reform. Into no as someone walk and say wa joining one more say na ye ka say one kasa mfa ho na America esi ye no wo kasa ade na ebi si wo Nigeria one person obekasa no wo sisi a nekre wa joining one more kan sem ni na nekre ne say wo sanso ene President Buhari akasa President Buhari aye na adwen say ntokwa na AC ewo Nigeria no wo behwe na eto ayeden etwa. That is what our President Akufo-Addo is saying. Now yantiaso no we no sanso ka say violence, be it on the part of the police or protesters, cannot be the solution. To the families who have lost their loved ones, I express my sincere condolences and I wish the injured a speedy recovery 2/2. And for me personally, President Akufo-Addo asemwe working. I am me there. Because now Crawford can say, on to me find the home be but you see, I've told you, say President Akufo-Addo as a beacon stands for human rights. He stands for human rights against violence. Say nipa yaka no. That is the brand President Akufo-Addo has built over his years. And now we are lawyer. So for me, speaking on this particular matter, one said, Nebi mo can say it can interfere. Ebetimi ama Nigeria President Ibuefu, President Akufo-Addo intia na umpeso obekasa no. But one say ni asebe, wode nyansasem ato asem ne so. One fa blame antu obi aso. Na yan Crawford say one bekasa no nka say to say senia ebia American for Hillary Clinton mo no. One so mo de wo mo ba e de to Nigeria President ne so say Nigeria President no okum Crawford won jai. Na yan Crawford say sa na President Akufo-Addo ebeye. But once a President Akufo-Addo wanyesa wa kan sem no ama all the sides do be atia will be able to say papa de nyansa kasa. And personally, that is what I wanted from the president. And so for me, I am very happy that the president has spoken this way. He didn't pick sides because social I say violence, be it on the part of the police or the protesters. Not sure say protesters need being so violence. police for so violence. It was say violence there. Say if police ni ho, if protesters ni ho, ni na ya dia enye. And it cannot be the solution. We na san so wishi wo mo a wo mu ewu no. O wishi wo mo eye ebusuafo say we there. Mon fanche we there. So you see, this is what we want. And it's more than say, if he speaks, he will interfere. No, where interference be in the room. Send your president here, can say, interference being in the room. And you see, because of politics, in someone any concern for defend the crown, defend it. And it goes to all the political parties. Political parties, because of politics, oh, as someone kwabna ni wonim say ni defense eye din nti na afei it was afei mu ana mo kan the president no and why say won say sisi anu mu na mo ni megu ase won say sisi amo na mo ni megu ase mo pre dodo ene bibia ye mo say ye kasa ye mo say bibiba na nkrofo criticize the president. Sometimes when people are criticizing, they criticize with a good heart. Okwa brochi so be criticize wa sometimes you huni say nipa ko no pe wa seminta no wo criticize na so Ghana has say once you criticize someone, hey, what time no inti nipa ko ne ye bone kran na e wo say what na say na wo hwe bone na nipa ko no ye no. And that is how we are in this country. Inti mu ana mo kasa and mu defend na ebi mo Ghana asem we buy ebi mo kan say oh president Victor want to me nkasa unless after 30 days. Hey, on my way there Asemba, the yebeka near the aya politics a defend be it NDC or say MPP pianieka. And I saw some people saying that. Say, oh, president no to me kasa because we are ECOWAS chairman and ECOWAS no omu to me kasa just after 30 days. Hey, inti nipe wuna e was say ECOWAS for kasa no on train answer 30 days answer wakasa. Asemwa na ebi mo kanu no. Sisi awon se mo ni we go ase. And na president aka say okasa no bibia to na okasa obi edidi na tem obi endi na tem people are happy omo anawo endra me ma what say celebrities bebre na ba na mo Sandra Nkobia eye Kojo Sheldon mo celebrities bebre na no mo ka say president Akufo-Addo wo say okasa wa asem we so because that is who we know him for. Okasa won sem so boni bi esi wo wiase afana de bia okasa wo so adentia na AC ewa Africa hankwa one person obeka. And that was what a lot of people were asking for. And that wakase ye sankrofo ya no mo kase won kasa ni ya no everyone born abaso say President Akufo-Addo wetie yesu frɛ. And it goes a long way to even help the image of the president. Nkrofo be hu ni say president yi obi a Ghana for kasa wotie because okọ Nigeria wo president Buhari senior ye kunkum nkrofo kasa Buhari mbra abonten be kasa no still won ma abonten be kasa yo. It's nkrofo kasa wo Nigeria still Buhari no mba abonten be kasa ye. Enti Ghana ye uhwe ende keke ye de pressure to your president so wo ba abonten be kasa na trese wo tie ne mba. So this has even gone a long way to even increase the love for the president. Nkrofo be kasa papa yi oyobi a o kasa wo tie. Inti mu anamo ka ena nkrofo criticize na mo ka say na mo de ya politics no and then me say mu na mo anim egu ase mu na mo anim egu ase mu anamo de ya politics e de kan sem me hwe wo bi wo se wo ye hey oh my Ghana pa oh my Ghana hey obi wo se wo ye lecturer and they are fain na wo be keka nsem akese ni ba ko so ye lecturer afain na wo be chere ye international diplomacy relations. Say the president is tied at the hands of the president is tied at his back. He can never speak on this. Over international relation one, there's no way the president can speak on this. And then say president na kasa fa ho. Say mo na mo ni megu asi. And ya ma faid there, mo lecture wo my Ghana. So you see, I am very happy the president has spoken on this particular thing at least. Ebema Ghana fo who say yes. Into wo share Twitter and now me no ka say krana Mr. President trendy. People are happy. People are happy. Ebe mo bana baso. Obi say Mr. President, God bless you. ene no obi atro no God bless you enipa we ya no waka God bless you no no nso no ko mu ana wo mo criticize the president no say aden na waye ko mu asem we ho nipa we ni ye di na tem say ane we ye ndisi ni we ye ndisi ni but won say president kasa no ono mpo na waba e na wabetro e wase say nyankopon nhira he enye obi a wo kasa e criticize wo bi e na trese wo belonging to that political party o ene na be person moti ase enye obi a wakasa tia Mahama bia e na trese wo ye MPP ni enye obi a wakasa tia Akufo-Addo bia na wo ye NDC ni sa ade na wo Ghana fo ye so no ye njai na mboa ema wo man ye ntumpon ema empanyifo na ete wo man ne so no ema sabe wo mo etia wo mo tumi enhu endane because ya man ehun ni say so obi ka bone fa wo ho a nipa ko ne ye NDC ni nti ono so da ne trim nti se wo ya bone kran no obi kan yes hey wo ye NDC ni memfi no wo ye NDC ni memfi no so you see and na wo bi eba love emojis bebre and na wasani obi nso love emojis ati ase eno na nkrofo bo na baso say Mr. President why are there wait there why are there we say the ECOWAS chairman has spoken. God bless you, sir. See won. And I will be so show. They will be so ababetro. We say Nana come for my ID card. Why? Take votes. We a guy too much. See won. And nipa we so ye nipa. Na we no so air criticizing Nanado. Say Nanado kasa. Na same see we ase baby a wo kasa. And they won. Say Nanado kasa nipa ko ya kasa. Hey Nanado brabe me ID card na meto aba ma osan. So this act from the president has even gotten him more voters. Omo anebia no mubu efu no kra no. Sisi ano womo ka say womo beto ama ne saa. Enti say ye kan sembi ba nebia ya criticize ya eye ne papa mu ne ye pe. Nanso mo eye mo adin say mo de politics nti bibia ni kwan say mo defend no mo anhwe yi a. Obekwa ko defend ade aye defend na wani makwa akogu ase. Several times in this country, Nkrofo ebe defending sema at the end of the day no money makwa akogu ase. So you see, a lot of people are happy. We Nigeria new. Mo hwe the Nigeria ni atro. O say proudly Nigerian. We a Nigeria influencer. The person has over 183,000 followers. Nigeria new. Shadia Nigeria ni we otroye. We say let it be known that the Ghanaian president spoke about this even before the Nigerian president. Nigeria ni and our cancer asem no. Owie na wo bi so awoye Nigeria ni airplane no ka say because Ghana has a president. Into what can say we are saying na ente say Ghana president akasa wa asem ne ho even before Nigeria for president. Na Ghana there afiance ye hu ne say mo wo oman panyi papa. Say we hu. So President Akufo-Addo ye kasa one kasa no one says here wa kasa no even the Nigerians have fallen in love with him. And it is helping his brand. Nigeria for ni na sisi a wo modo no wo hu say Ghana president akasa wa asem we hu even before your president. President Akufo-Addo aya ade dodo. So you see all the criticisms are now for personal it has gone a long way to even help the president. Tinye bibia ena kwabenane wo de wote ho a wo se me de me ye NDC ni me ye MPP ni nti bibia e beka fa me ho enye papa bia wo se me ba bonten be di atem nsem bi wo ho a e wo so hu ne se asem wa nipa kon eken ne kre aba wom Nigeria ni ne comment ya wa comment e me de pa papa se Nigeria ni ne comment wa comment BBC ati ase I see, very imt to mention that he said he spoke with the Nigerian president, yet the Nigerian president is here to say a word about it. Say, into what I say, President Akufo-Addo kra amaga ya ni ati say wonumpo wa fre Nigeria for president kra na kasa na tres assembly da President Akufo-Addo kra koma so. Say, won say Nigeria for na ebo na baso. Nini na ejina de na Ghana for kan the president kasawo se we hu inti asemo da hono no mo ntra mo adwon comment box ni mu me da say